Hi everyone, welcome back to Nouns and Update. What I'm going to be showing you today is how to load your wallet. And we have a lot of students who are reaching out and complaining that after they make payment to through remitter or through the bank branch or through their card or anything, the money is not reflecting into their wallet after it has been successfully paid and they're seeing the receipt. The receipt has been sent in the student email. So today we decided to show you how to do that, how to be able to load it into your wallet and make it to show. Just give you a simple guide. You know where to go, you know the URL, the Noun website. Then after that you click on register student. It's going to take you to this page. Put your matric number and your password. Come to this place and put the captcha. So as I've told you earlier on, you know the captcha is always like this, and you can also change it. You can refresh it to change the captcha if you don't like that one or you want to check another one. So this is the captcha. Let's just pick one. Sorry, let's pick one. So let's just pick this, and let's see, let's pick someone, let's pick another one. It's going to it's going to know. We have to be very sure of the captcha. So after that you click on login. After that, once you click on login, it's going to take you to your student page. Let's do that. Now it's loading. So after you click on the login, it's going to take you to your student portal. Here, this is your student portal. You're going to see all this. So where you are going is this bursary. You just have to come to this bursary and click on the bursary. It's going to take you to another page. Yeah, this is the page. You just have to cancel all this. So you're going to see the sub-menu: e-wallet, check payment status, bank details, financial standing. So this is where you're going to come to. Just click on this check payment status. Please note that after you have made the payment, you need to copy out your order ID and your remitter ID even before you make the payment. Sorry. So the order ID is very important. As you are generating the money, the payment from your portal, before you make the payment, immediately you generate your remitter code. Just copy this ID number and this reference number out, keep it somewhere. Then you can now go and make payment through your remitter portal or bank branch or anything after that, because you are still going to use it to load your wallet. So let's dive into it. Let's just say we have the remitter number now. Let's just pick remitter numbers and the order number to check it, because without it you cannot even see your money in your portal. Let's do that now. So after you put your remitter number and the order number, the next thing you need to do is to click on check. So you click on this. After you click, you load and you say payment successful. You're going to say like something, payment successful here. After that you click OK. That is not the end. You need to come to this see receipt. It's very important. Once you click on this see receipt, you're going to see the payment you've made. You can also print out the receipt. You can also save it as PDF on your phone. So let's do that right away so that you can see the payment we made and go and check our wallet if it has reflected. After you click on the receipt, it's going to show you the receipt like this. It's going to show you everything and even the payment you've made. Don't bother about, sometimes you see successful, but sometimes it might be pending as well, but it's always successful. Sometimes it might be network. So once you have seen this thing, then now go back to your portal. It will open another tab. Just go back to your portal and see if the money has reflected. Now let's go back. So this is it. So we are back to the portal now. You can also refresh if you like. You can if it doesn't show, you can refresh. You can also go back home and refresh. But mostly after you've done this, just click refresh your portal. After you click on receipt, you've checked and you click on receipt, you've generated the receipt for you. Just click on refresh to refresh your portal. Or sometimes go to home, then come back to this bursary. Go to home rather, then you check your wallet. Let's check the wallet now if the money has reflected there. So finally, the money has reflected. Can you see the money now? It's 60,000. It has reflected on the portal. So you can go ahead and register anything you want to register, either your courses, your exam, your semester, or anything. So this is how you are going to load your money into your student portal. So after that, just go ahead. So that is the procedure and the guide. Share it to other students who don't know how to do this and help them out, so that they will find it easy to do this by themselves without any stress. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. You can join our channel both on um, Telegram, WhatsApp. We have group as well. So if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section, and as well give us a thumb up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.